Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Navid Zahiri and I hope you are doing well. Today I want to teach you some common and useful English expressions. Before teaching you these expressions, I'd like to talk about idioms. I'm going to very quickly make sure that you understand about idioms. What are idioms? An idiom, also called idiomatic expression, is a group of words or an expression that has a special meaning and it is different from the ordinary meaning of each separate word and conventionally understood by native speakers. Moreover, the translation of these idioms is not very easy in other languages. They are a bit hard to translate. The literal word-by-word translation of an idiom will most likely not convey the same meaning in other languages. If we translate them word by word, we will not convey the same meaning and we will also change the meaning of these idioms. So this was a bit information about idioms and I hope you understand. Our first idiom is bright as a button. What does it mean? Bright as a button, it means to tell someone that he or she is full of energy and very intelligent. For example, he has a son who is as bright as a button. Or, Ali was my university classmate and he was as bright as a button. And then there is another useful and common expression that maybe you have not heard this yet, and it is used a lot by native speaker, and that expression is button up one's lip. What does it mean? It means to tell people in a rude way to stop talking, not talking anymore. We can use this expression to tell people that don't tell about this information to anyone. Keep this information with yourself. For example, please button up your lip and keep the secret information till tomorrow. Or, how could you dare to tell him the secret information? Although I told you, button up your lip. So, and there is also another common and useful English expressions that maybe you have heard a lot, this in some movies or TV shows, and it is used a lot by native speakers. It is not rocket science. It is not rocket science. What does it mean? It means to say that something is not very difficult to do or understand. For example, designing a website may be a lot of work, but it is not rocket science. Or, it is just an easy math problem, but it is not rocket science. And our next idiom is off color. Off color is also an idiom or expression that maybe you have not heard this yet, but it is very common and it is used a lot by English native speakers, and it means in a poor health, slightly ill or sick. This expression usually talks about your health, your feeling. For example, I feel a bit off color today. Does she feel a bit off color today? Or also we use this expression when somebody tells us a joke or a history and that joke or history is not good. It is too bad, joke or history. For example, the old man told an off-color joke at the party and made his wife angry. So, and our final expression today is with flying colors. What does it mean? If you do something such as pass an exam with flying colors, it means you do it very successfully. You do it in an extraordinary manner. For example, I passed the exam with flying colors, as everyone expected. So I hope you learn some new expression today and you can even use them if you find yourself in appropriate situation. Thanks for your watching, and one thing more guys, don't forget to write your comments in the comment